have to. What are these things? What are these things?
Oh, yeah. Don't worry about that. Yeah, don't worry about that.
I'm going. Goodbye. This is not me.
This is not me.
Nah, B. Maybe later, but not today. Hello there, item of mine. That is crowbar. You dare mock the son of a crowbar.
Oh my god.
I don't know, man. I'm losing my mind.
This dude's wild.
Fire in the sky.
Too wild.
I have found a total of 1 item.
Oh, you need like at least 2 more from this area.
That is definitely be better, yes.
Definitely is B.
Yes.
Yeah.
All of my mind.
Chill.
I got the tri-tip dagger. It is time for us to embark.
Ooh, oh, that's fine.
I am losing my mind. Aggressively does
Worry about it.
praise aggressively.
Oh my gosh.
Is this an item box? Hashtag blessed.
Oh. I'm done.
I love you, JB.
Love you too.
Better. Oh no, that's
Better. He said better. He said better and then immediately moves on.
Praying aggressively. You can't you can't take my aggressive praying.
Holy.
Lock Mecca.
One more time? What? What? No, what? No, no, you're good.
I'll say it again.
No, don't. No, don't.
It is the language of the old ones.
No, none of that.
Praise be unto Cthulhu.
No, none of that. Cthulhu can stay at the bottom of the ocean, thanks. You should come get this.
Bro, all I heard, what I heard you just say was fully consent of all.
No! No.
And I don't quite know what that means, but you know what? I got you.
Listen, but no. Leave me alone. I can't talk. Come get this item.
I'm trying. And help. Oh, no. Big Daddy Imp.
Why did you pick up the shield, you fool? You picked. You fool.
Hey, I am blind.
No.
Yes.
Lavate los manos.
What about your hands? Wash your hands.
Okay, I found it. We good. Alright. Everything's fine. Everything's fine. Everything's fine. I started it.
I can't. What was that?
Oh, everything's going real bad.
Yeah, it's pretty cool.
Dude,
Ah.
it's like when you run. Oh, dude, look, a lunar coin.
It's like when you're running, but you're fast.
Dude, it's like when you're. It's like, yeah. Yeah. Dude, like, dude, like, totally.
Totally.
I can't even make cohesive thoughts, man. I am out of it.
Get pitted, man. Just get pitted. I can't do it right because I'm
gonna
slow.
get so like swolleroonie, you know?
Yeah,
Like, bro, I go to the gym every day, and then like I go there, and but like none of the hot chicks want me.
Oh my god.
Like I don't understand why they don't want me, dude. And it just like I'm so like I'm a vulnerable guy. Like I'm likable. Like right?
Yeah, brother.
You sound like Hulk Hogan.
Brother.
I said Hulk Hogan. I am dumb. Holy crap.
I'm done too.
I am in the sleep dimension mentally.